We're in the anime store or whatever you call it. So that's probably hers right there, the double chicken. Oh my gosh. It says, your husband. My wife's giving me permission to dip my thing. The girls are coming. This is actually the day what we did after the hot wing challenge, so they both are getting a little money, and plus they have money on their it's like a teenager debit card that my bank offers, and you can put like a little bit of money in it for allowances for them doing their chores. So now they want to go spend some money, and my 14-year-old's gonna meet a friend there and a couple friends and walk around the mall. All right, me and Silhouette just came back from shopping at Target. We dropped off her big sis with a friend to walk around the mall, which is only 100 yards from us. What'd you get?
I got, they didn't spell my name right.
They didn't spell your name right?
It is S-I-H-L-E.
Okay, yeah, they're wrong.
O-P-T-E.
So Silhouette got, what do you call this drink from Starbucks?
Double chocolate frappuccino with no whipped cream.
Okay. And you want to show what you bought with your money you earned by eating that hot chicken nugget?
Yeah, I got a blanket
with bunny rabbits on it. Yeah, they had little soft fuzzy Easter blankets because it's almost, you know, I think it was leftover from Easter. I don't know.
I got mangas.
And she got mangas, which is the Japanese cartoon or comic books. All right, I guess we need to animate, yeah. So we better get ready to go find your sister. Here, you can borrow my phone to call Mom to give her an update.
What's the number for Mom?
Hopefully it's not too crowded in here.
What's the number for Mom?
Oh look, they got some kind of karate dojo here at the mall.
Hi, Mom.
Cobra Kai, too funny. We're at the mall. We're just letting you know we got here. Silhouette's gonna get something to eat now.
Yeah. Also, I bought a lot of stuff in Target.
Shoe store. Okay, I better stop filming. People won't want me to film them. We're in the anime store or whatever you call it. Hope I'm not getting copyrighted on that Japanese song. Those are kind of cute, these stuffed stuffy ones, huh? Yeah, my wife and kids love anime. She wants to go into a Hot Topic. Sounds like it, huh?
That is so cute.
They got the kind of gothy looking stuff here. That's more acapella than Silhouette though. Oops, sorry.
Still finding everything all right.
What's that?
People are taking their mask off already.
Yeah, I see some people aren't wearing masks. I think they're supposed to, though. Got a giant chess game going on. Cool. Got the Macy's there. Down that way got a movie theater, an Old Navy, and other stores. Uh-oh, there's another place called Tokyo Anime. I'm sure Silhouette's gonna want to go there too. Yeah, lots of plushies. And Hello Kitty stuff.
I like this one.
Says do not grab stuff. Oh. Hello. Is that?
This one
Let me see.
pops off it.
Oh, you want to pop some? How much are you going to pay for that?
I don't know how much it is.
None of them have a price on it? Oh, it says right there. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe you have to ask.
It's gonna be $14.20.
She's going to use her little card thing. I think the magnet goes this way. See the picture?
Yeah.
There you go. Shopping and being in the mall reminds me why I do not like coming to the mall. I'm not a big mall person. They're so crowded. But anything for your kids, right? At least once in a while. They don't get to do this very often. Matter of fact, we probably only come here like once or twice a year at most. Now she's looking at headbands. Oh, look. There we are. Hi. Oh, she wound up not getting it. Got a sports store here. Got all the jerseys, basketball, baseball, football. Sorry, no rugby or cricket jerseys over here. At least not in these local stores. Now we're like in the center of the mall. We're not going to go any further because we just want to go to the food court, which it isn't a very big food court. I think they got a Panda Express, a Japanese grill, a Subway, and a sub sandwich or cheesesteak place or something. And it's right in front of the Best Buy. Yeah, so there's Best Buy. And then we're going to, well, Silhouette's getting her food at Teriyaki Japan, where they grill it right in front of you and then you just take it away. But she don't want to eat in here. She don't like being around so many people either, especially people not wearing their masks still. She's like her mom. So I'm gonna let her take it in the truck, and we're sitting in the truck and wait for Acapella and her friend to come back. And I also will get my wife's food and mine so we can take it home and eat. But that's probably hers right there, the double chicken. As they chop it up. Whoa, that's a lot of chicken. Yeah, Silhouette couldn't wait. I'm driving over to the restaurant to order me and my wife's food so it's ready. And then we'll come back and pick up Acapella and her friend. And we'll drop her friend at home. And then we actually saw Acapella and her friend. They were eating at the food court. Something else. I don't remember what they were eating, but all right. Hey, so we're home now. And since the girls got to eat at a food court, me and my wife are gonna eat at our favorite Chinese restaurant. It's called Emperor's Palace. Let's see, they gave us some of those crunchy noodles. A bunch of knickknacks, like fortune cookies, and all that kind of stuff. Mommy got sweet and sour pork. Honey, you want me to put all of it on your plate, or just some of it, or all of it? All of it. All of it?
Yes.
Okay. That's a lot. All right, you asked for it. Holy smokes. I got some egg drop soup. Large container of it. We got 2 egg rolls. So one for my wife. One for me. We got a dozen prawns. Deep fried prawns. Those are good. Oh my gosh, how many boxes do we have? Oh, we got the rice. Good. And give the rest to my wife here.
Yeah. I also got double chicken.
If I can get it off the spoon. I'll just leave some in the bowl. Honey, do you want some of the egg drop soup or just me? So I'll show you that all this stuff they gave us extra, I guess, like hot mustard, ketchup, seeds, soy sauce, fortune cookies.
And it also matches my food.
I got extra spicy Mongolian beef. I asked for no veggies this time. That way I get more beef. I'm gonna just put half there. And see, you got plenty more. If there's one thing I love, is leftover spicy beef late at night. And last thing we got here, oh, it's a giant container of the pineapple and sweet and sour for my wife's pork. All right, let me put some of the prawns out here. Like I said, the kids already ate. And maybe I'll just leave the bucket for my wife. Honey, you said you don't want any of this soup, right? No. Okay. I like that they put it in a container like this. I actually save these and use them for other things. But I'm the only one eating the soup. Oh, they have big chunks of mushrooms. Let me just try to pour it in there. Ooh, hot. See, I get all that left. I guess I'm the only one that's going to eat this, so it's okay. More for Daddy. I'm also filled up a couple of containers of ranch. We like to dip our prawns in those. We each got 6. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm missing one. Yay! All right. Oh, for your eye, honey.
Yoy.
Yoy, she says. Let's eat. Thanks for joining us. Let me fix the camera. All right. Here we go. We said our grace, and I had to get up and get my beer. So let's eat. Let me try the my favorite, the spicy one first. Good. Good spice to it, but even though I asked for extra spicy, it's still not spicy enough for me. But after eating those hot chicken wings that you saw in that video, my stomach, I should probably just lay off that for a day or two. It's good though. Tender. Let's try the prawn. Good. Do you want any of these crunchy noodles? I don't need it. These are little rice crunchy noodles. Sometimes I eat them. But the meat and rice is good enough for me. I don't need those as well. Let's try the soup. Woo! Hot. But delicious. So, I like to add a little bit of my no sodium salt. I'm salt and I'm spicy. I like them both. My wife's giving me permission to dip my thing in her juicy, stuff there for the pork.
No, I didn't.
What? Oh, she had no idea. I wanted to make it sound like you were polite, honey. Oh well.
Is that Szechuan beef?
No, they didn't have Sichuan beef. I had to get Mongolian beef. You want a piece, you can have it.
Mm-mm.
You want any sesame seeds? How about some... I'm going to try this hot mustard, see how that tastes with the thing. Woo! Wow, that's very horseradishy. Well, I'm going to try it. Let me move my stuff here. Seems like my wife's enjoying her egg roll and all the food. So, I don't know about all you guys that are watching, but does every family have a little drawer where you save these things that you don't use so you always have backup? I know we do. So let's try the spicy mustard. I personally like this flavor. I like the horseradish. Kind of opens up your sinuses. Has a good taste. But it don't particularly go well with this kind of beef, the sauce on it. So I probably won't use too much, but you never know. So we were gone about 3.5, 4 hours. Mommy stayed home with Maka. What did you do while we were gone?
Chores.
Oh, did the chores. Thank you, honey.
And then I took Maka for a walk in the rain.
In the rain.
And then we came back and sat out on the stairs for a little while because she likes sitting there for a little while, sticking her nose up in the air.
Right.
And then I came in, sat her down, and played my video game.
And she even had a candle lit for when I come home. I'm like, uh-oh, it's candlelight dinner time. But it's not dark out yet. But thank you, sweetie, for doing all that.
What did you guys do?
Well, I took Silhouette to Target first after we dropped off Acapella and her friend. It was super crowded there. She got some, what do you get, 2 blankets?
Manga.
Like, throw blankets for her bed. And, some
Manga.
anime books. Yeah, manga.
Maka's there.
And then we also got by the Starbucks, and she got a non-caffeinated, like some kind of chocolate drink there. Then we went into the mall, and that's when she bought the little Sailor Moon pop socket for her phone. And we walked around Claire's and a bunch of anime stores and stuff like that. I can see that it's really hard to do mukbang sometimes when the food's so good. I don't even want to talk. I just want to like focus on eating. The spice is starting to build a little bit now, though. The more I eat, the hotter it gets, which is a good thing. I enjoy that. What's wrong? That's a good egg roll. What's in it? Is it just vegetable? It smells like cabbage.
Yeah, there's meat in there too. I don't know if it's
Pork or chicken, maybe.
Pork or chicken. It might be chicken though. I love this meat so much. Can I offer you some? Was it good? I hope so. That's so wrong.
My wife was looking saying, I don't think I have any prawns. I'm like, what? I had moved the box far away. She didn't see it. She was getting jelly watching me eat the prawns.
Oh, Maka came back for more.
Mm.
Good. We're giving her little ones. Maka, honey, here.
Like the soup. Mmm. Really good. It's like comfort food. So good. That needs a little salt though too. Actually, what I'd like to add to it, but I don't want to get up, is white pepper. Normally, the egg drop soup or egg flour soup, some places call it different. You can really taste that white pepper in it, but I can't really taste it in this one. That's better with a little extra salt. Permission to dip?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, thank you. Sorry for reaching across. Too low. Sorry about that. Pretty good.
Maka. Maka.
I'm actually getting full, which is good. Save lots of leftovers. Mm. The sauce, the spice on there is really good. So as you may have heard, I've mentioned a couple times about the hot wing challenge. So in real time, we did that like just yesterday, I think. But I know it's been several weeks between that video and this video. Because sometimes I shoot videos like this, like our trip to the mall and us eating food that we didn't make. And I think, oh gosh, do people really even want to see that? So I doubt myself and say maybe I won't even post it. But if you're watching this, then I guess I decided, yeah, I might as well. Why not? And it won't hurt anybody. You know, any YouTuber probably has that fear that says, I don't want to put up a video that everyone's like, why are you putting that? That's horrible. Why would you put that on? We don't want to watch that, or blah, blah, blah. I don't know. Not that I really care what people think, but, you know, but you do. You, I think everyone gets in this business for themselves at the beginning because they want to document their journey, and then they also want to share it with others. But it doesn't matter. When people comment, even if they just said, enjoyed the video, you start taking that personally, and it affects you. You know, it makes you happy. It can make or break your whole week. You know? So I appreciate all the comments. We really love you guys. And we're going to keep on trucking as long as you're watching. So I'm on my last prawn. I think my wife is getting full. Don't worry, none of this food will be wasted. It's just we're not going to eat it all in one sitting. You got anything you want to say? Like thank you for watching or whatever?
Thank you for watching.
What about the whatever part?
And whatever.
This is real life, by the way. This is my wife in real life. She's not being camera shy. She just pretty much is like this. She don't talk a whole lot.
Nope.
Whereas I'm like... And she pretty much just tunes me out. So she don't have to listen to most of it. Which is okay. So thank you again so much for watching. Whew. I'm done. Yeah. Pop-ta Yesu. Thanks for the food. Thank you for the fans. Thank you for the subscribers. Thank you for people just stopping by. We'll see you next time. Tofase fu, everyone. So glad you joined us. And until next time, peace.
Bye.
My wife ran away. I was going to say, you know, fortune cookie. I wanted to tell you how much it cost. They actually charged me 8 cents for the brown bag it came in. But everything, the egg rolls, the dinners, the extra 12 prawns, the giant bowl of egg drop soup and all that, came out to $46.08, and with tax was $4.33, so it came out to $50.41. Not bad. I guess my wife don't want to be on camera, so let me read. I'll read the fortune cookie if I can open it. Oh. The best teacher is also a student. You want me to read yours for you, honey? My wife says yes.
Masha likes those, honey. Give her one.
Oh, here you go. Ah! Why? I guess I can crush it, huh? And this is my wife, the one that she picked out. Oh my gosh. It says, your husband is gorgeous! Yeah! Actually, it says, eat chocolate to have a sweeter life. Alright, that's it. GoPro off. GoPro, stop recording.
Eat chocolate.
GoPro, stop recording.